What's up, everybody? It's your boy BrandsLove2Tone back with another review with BrandsLove2Tone. Today, I'm excited as usual. It's another brand I ran across either on Instagram or somebody informed me about called Universal Young. Saying follow them below, you know what I'm saying, and also get a subscription for them. First of all, welcome y'all to my new series where I'll be tasting foods, snacks, or candies from different companies, as well as doing a promotion for them. This will be the first video for them, as well as another company also sent the package in. So I'm gonna go ahead and we'll jump right into this shit. Let's get it. So here you go, Universal Young. So of course I got the address marked out on. Until I haven't opened it, here go the seal, go the sticker. Got a subscription form for probably like a week ago, and it's already sent in, as well as another company. It came faster than I thought it could come. I thought it was gonna take about 3 weeks. Usually companies based out overseas, it take a while, but it actually came fast. So that's one good thing to look forward to. I see it say Young Ball. Got a spine, dynamic sticker on it. Simple, you know what I'm saying, and it's unique, you know what I'm saying, so I fucks with it. I'm gonna go ahead and open it. Should've used a knife. What intrigued me about this company was they got different candies they would want you to try, but it's from different parts of the world. The package itself specifically was from Indonesia. So when you open it, you get this thumb book telling you where it's from. Okay, you get this pamphlet that tells you everything that's supposed to be in the box. They give you a couple of snapshots of what Indonesia look like, upcoming events, foods and flavors, some trivia so you can test yourself, details about Indonesia. I'm assuming this gonna be the snacks that's in the bag, but don't quote me on that because you know my first time opening. So, but if it is, this will be a dope description so you know exactly what you're getting into. We got a lot of volcanoes, we don't got that, you know what I'm saying, one from Sakalana. Oh, recipes to make something. Oh yeah, answer key for your trivia question, so I think that's dope. Oh, and other things that you can try on the website. Oh, so I was right. So, even better, so that's how we can do it, you know what I'm saying? I'm gonna try and record it to the first thing I'm gonna try is the Casablanca crackers. That's the first thing we're gonna try. I take my trays up. Forgot about that. Got a lot of pepper in this. Let me try one more. Okay. They're actually decent. For the people who love black pepper, you'll love these. It's strong on black pepper. There's no cholesterol in it, 0 trans fat, gluten free, and rich in fiber, so that's decent for you. Alright, so next on the list is the Bean White. Bean White wafer, white chocolate coconut coated wafer with cream filling. That sounds decent. Okay, small. Let me try that. Oh, this is legit. I'm gonna say that little piece will be done. This is legit. I ain't even better say it. Hey, bang. Bang. Legit. Next we got Jajong Presto corn. And I ain't saying it right, but you know I'm gonna put that below for y'all. That's good. Try some of that, you know what I'm saying? Excuse me. Some of that bang. These decent, not bad. It gotta be like a flavor. I would say garlic flavor, but that's it. But you can eat a whole bunch of these. Nothing too significant about these. So it's not really over the top good, but it ain't nasty at all. eating just to be eating. Next up, we got Dika Choco Banana Wafer Rolls. The description is vanilla wafer rolls with chocolate and banana cream filling. Pause. So that'd be these. But that bean was good, you know what I'm saying? Okay. Look at the packaging. That's dope. Take two because that bean was good. So this. Try this. Fire. Fire. I'm like, this could be some strong, like, I don't even know how to describe it. It's like good as hell. I want to open it, but I don't want to get rid of it like I did my bean because I want some more of that. Save that. Got 4 left and then 5 coming in the box, which is dope. So next up we got UP noodles. Say that shit wrong. Basically, it's sour novelty gummies. Oh, gummies? I ain't game. It's soft, chewy candy. That's what it's saying on the box. It's dope how they got the packaging. You know what I'm saying? Shit. Got like a little noodle and got some eggs. Try the egg first. Legit. It tastes like regular sour gummies. So next up we got the vanilla party layer cake. Oh. So pandan flavored layer cake with cream filling. Cake, so it can't be that bad. Yeah, that shit feels soft as fuck. Yeah, I like the packaging. Get into it. You stick to the bag, so you already know it's good. It's strong. You can add that. It's alright. It's alright cake wise, it's still sweet and all that. It's thick. It's strong. You know, like the scent strong. It ain't nasty. But if I were to get a slice of cake, this won't be the one I get. Next in the Gula's Tamari Candy. Yeah, I said that wrong. Oh, extraordinary yum bag. It's inspired by Indonesia's diverse culture. In this bag, I'm gonna find Gula's turmeric candy, like I said, and Pargo 2-in-1 melon milk chewy candy. It's melon and milk flavored chewy. This is my yum bag. You know the phrase, good things come in small packages? Pause. The yum bag is that phrase embodied. Alright, I can see by that. I want to eat. So this is the Pargo 2-in-1. And Wallace, you know what I'm saying? So Wallace first, if that's how you say it. Different. Not nasty. It's a flavor. They got a distinct flavor. I can eat probably like 4 or 5 of them before I get tired of them. It's not nasty, so I'm gonna try this melon milk. Okay. Two, but still hard. I fucks with that one. You know, so I like melon, so that's why I fucks with it. It's decent. A real smooth melon taste. It's smooth how they did that. They did that. For the first one, you don't even appreciate it. First piece of candy, you don't even appreciate it. But the second one, you like, oh. they did that. So overall, I feel like, you know what I'm saying, once I read a couple of details, you know what I'm saying, cool things about Indonesia, I think from a culture candy wise, I fucks with y'all, you know what I'm saying, I fucks with Indonesia. So, you know what I'm saying, I live it because I gotta find a way to get some more bean bean. I gotta find a way to get some more. This shit legit. Overall, I give it an 8 because that bean bean put it over the top of that melon milk, and then these wafer right here, the banana wafer. I give it an 8. I give it an 8. You know what I'm saying? Scratch that 8.5 because I forgot about the gummies. You know what I'm saying? So they got the gummies in there. Only thing holding me back, that cake was, and that corn not really having no flavor. 8.5, I fuck with it. So I'm very looking forward to another package from them, and I want to try more shit now. So I fuck with them. That'll be all for today. Thank y'all for tuning in. Welcome to my new series. Make sure you like, subscribe, comment, know anything about Indonesia candy. You know what I'm saying? Make sure you let me know in the comment section, or feel free to let me know on my Instagram page at BrandsLove2Tone TV. It was a good experience. I look forward to keeping my subscription with them, or making a subscription with them to move forward. You know what I'm saying? Trying all the new candies they got from all over the world. So without further ado, like, subscribe, comment. Make sure you do, or you will get beat the fuck up. You know what I'm saying? And see y'all next time. Let's get it.